This is Kevin from Epic Gardening. Today we're taking a look at the construction of the Birdies Round Tall raised bed. So as we take it out of the box here, what you're going to notice are the 4 side panels that you get, which comprise the whole construction of the raised bed. And you're also going to get a protective strip to go over the top once it's constructed, as well as all of the washers and bolts needed to construct the bed. The first thing that we need to do is take off the protective plastic sheeting that is on each panel. This is what's protecting that beautiful powder coating on the galvanized steel. So just gently peel that off. It should come off pretty easy once you get it started. And then we're ready to construct the bed. The reason why you want to take this off right away is because you can go ahead and screw in and kind of lock little bits of the plastic underneath the attachments, which you don't want to do. So I recommend taking it off before you construct it. So the next thing we are looking at is just the way that these beds are arranged. What you need to do is place each corner panel next to each other, just line them up, and then what we'll do is gently thread a bolt through and loosely screw a washer onto the other side, making sure that everything is aligned, and then we go ahead and take a screwdriver or an electric screwdriver to go ahead and actually attach these together. Now I recommend, if you do use an electric screwdriver of some sort, I find it best to do the top and bottom and then the middle, just to ensure that you have alignment throughout the entire panel as you screw it together. Due to the way that these beds are constructed, they can be off by a millimeter or two, and that's just where your manual placement needs to correct. So it's perfectly normal, but I do recommend making sure and correcting that. So as we align our screws, we pretty much just repeat this process throughout the entire bed until you're done with all 4 panels. And then it's time to attach the protective safety strip. This is a good way to just double check, make sure that you're not going to bump into it, scrape, or cut yourself. And it's also a nice way to adjoin all of the top edges of the panels together. So as we do that, the last step is to just cut it off and press it down to match. And now we've constructed the bed. It should take 20-30 minutes, nothing more than that. And now we have an extremely lightweight, leach-proof, rust-proof, and tall, beautiful raised bed to place into the front yard of our garden here. Now what I recommend is, because it's 30 inches tall, I highly recommend reserving the bottom half, filling the bottom half with sticks, debris, garden waste, etc., still organic matter, and then reserving your really high quality raised bed or potting mix for that top 15 inches. This has been Kevin from Epic Gardening. Enjoy your new bed.